Good morning, students. So, in the last class, we have seen about the exercise 3.3. Okay, we have completed this exercise in the last video. Now, today we are going to solve the questions of the miscellaneous. But before that, one small topic is there which I want to discuss with you. That is the definition of the invertible matrix. So, students, actually that definition is in the syllabus. But finding the inverse of a matrix, that is in this chapter, it is depend on the elementary row and column property of the matrices, which is introduced by the CBSE this year. So that's why that topic we cannot discuss, but the concept of the invertible matrix is required for us, as there is a few questions in the next chapter determinate which will be useful for us. So today let me discuss with the definition of the invertible matrix. So students, हमने जब फंक्शन पढ़ा है तो फंक्शन में हमने देखा कि व्हाट इज कॉल्ड द इन्वर्टिबल मैट्रिक्स। कोई भी फंक्शन को हम इन्वर्टिबल कब बोलेंगे? तो जब वो फंक्शन का इन्वर्स एग्जिस्ट करता हो, राइट? When a function is invertible, when its inverse is exist. So similarly, when a matrix is called invertible, when its inverse is exist. तो उसका inverse होगा कैसे? Suppose we have a matrix A. Okay, any square matrix is there, or any matrix can take A. Then there exists such a matrix B, A and B. Okay, such that AB into BA is same as B into A is equals to identity matrix, right? So therefore it is called the invertible matrix. So invertible matrix किसको बोलेंगे हम? For a square matrix A, there exists a matrix B of the same order such that AB into BA is equals to I. Then B is called the inverse of A. मतलब कि अगर ये जो कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होती है तो आप बोल सकते हैं कि B क्या होगा? क्योंकि A का इन्वर्स होगा, and A is called the invertible matrix. Similarly, अगर आप रिवर्स देखने जाओ तो A is the inverse of the matrix B. Okay, A is equals to B inverse and B is equals to A inverse. दोनों एक दूसरे के इन्वर्स होंगे. In that case, A and B are both are known to be invertible matrix. Okay, students. So ये है कंसेप्ट आपका इन्वर्टिबल मैट्रिक्स का, that we will use in the next chapter. So now today we are continuing our class with the exercise of the miscellaneous. So here question number 1 I am going to solve now. Remember students, in this exercise question number 1, 2 and 3. So these three questions are based on the principle of mathematical induction. तीनों questions similar pattern से solve होने वाले हैं. And in this first and third I am going to solve here where the question number 2 that you can solve by yourself. So let me start the first one. So A क्या है हमारा 0 1 0 0, और अगर A आपका 2/2 square matrix है then obviously I is 2/2. Okay, I is the identity matrix of the order 2. So therefore it is not written here, but it is in your question clearly mentioned. तो आप अपना क्वेश्चन जरा ध्यान से देख लेना और we are going to solve this one. अभी आप सभी को प्रिंसिपल ऑफ मैथमेटिकल इंडक्शन अच्छे से याद है कि कैसे करना है. ओके, मैंने आपको तब भी बोला था कि आपका यही टॉपिक है जो हम 12th में बार बार यूज करेंगे. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू यूज फर्स्ट फॉर दिस चैप्टर. सो यहाँ पे क्या है आपको? You have to prove that A is equals to this and this we have to prove. तो ये हमारा prove that type का स्टेटमेंट हो. तो इसको हमें प्रूव करना है n is equals to 1 के. So for the we will prove this through it by principle of mathematical induction. So let n is equals to 1. So what we will do? First we will prove for n is equals to 1. So the n is equals to 1, right? What is your LHS? AI plus BA raised to 1. that is equals to AI plus BA. And what is your RHS, students? So it is A raised to 1 I plus 1 A raised to 1 minus 1 B into A, that is equals to A I. 1 A raised to 1 minus 1 is 0, and anything raised to 0 is, yes, 1. So that is equals to BA. So this is 1 and 2. So therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore statement is true for n is equals to 1. तो अभी हम जब n is equals to 1 के लिए प्रूव करना है, तो आगे का स्टेप क्या था स्टूडेंट्स? Yes, we have to suppose that our statement is true for n is equals to k. Now suppose statement is true for n is equals to k. N is equals to k. So therefore we will write down like this: ai plus ba raised to k is equals to a raised to k into I plus k a raised to k minus 1 into b into a. Right? So this is statement is true. Now we are going to prove it for n is equals to k plus 1. तो k plus 1 के लिए हमें प्रूव करना है. So we will start from the LHS. Now LHS is ai plus ba raised to k plus 1. Right? So k plus 1 तो हमें क्या करना होगा? ai plus ba. Just फैक्टर इसको पावर्स को चेंज कर दे, तो e raised to k plus ai plus ba. Now students, up to k है, तो you have a proof for k that ai plus ba raised to k is equals to this. So substitute the value here. ai plus ba raised to k क्या होगा? Because our statement is true for n is equals to k. तो उसकी वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करें, a raised to k into I plus k a raised to k minus 1 b into a into ai plus ba. Now multiply. Further step is multiply. So first we multiply this 2. So a raised to k into a. So a raised to k into a I into I. स्केलर को अलग मल्टीप्लाई करना है, मैट्रिक्स को अलग रखना है. Because this property we know, है ना? Then ai, okay. Then a raised to k we multiply b. So a raised to k into b into I into a. देखिए याद रखिएगा, जब भी आप डिफरेंट कर रहे हो मैट्रिक्स प्रोडक्ट मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन, तो उसका जो सीक्वेंस है वो चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स हियर I is first, I and a we are multiplying, so we have to write down I into a. Don't write a into I. As this both are same because it is an identity matrix. पर अलग मैट्रिक्स के लिए ये सेम नहीं होगा. if I की जगह पे वहाँ पे और कोई मैट्रिक्स भी आ रहा है, then it will be different. So that's why ये जो आप प्रोडक्ट लिख रहे हो उसका थोड़ा सा फोकस करिए, उसका ऑर्डर चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. Then first multiplication is over. Then we multiply the second one with the whole. So क्या होगा? k a raised to k minus 1 b a. तो यहाँ पे k a और b तीनों स्केलर है, तो इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे k minus 1 into b into a. और उसके बाद है a into I. So I am writing a into I. Okay. Then last multiplication is k a raised to k minus 1 b into b into a. So I am writing k a raised to k minus 1 b into b. B square I can write directly. A into a I can write as a square. Okay. क्योंकि ये सेम मैट्रिक्स है, so I can write down like this: k a raised to k minus 1 b square into a square. So product is clear to you students? Okay. So now next step. Next step में क्या लिखेंगे? देखो कि a raised to k into B, and we know that identity matrix is working as a 1. So therefore I into A, that means A plus K. Then A के लिए क्या होगा तो कि K raised to -1 and K. तो पावर अभी ऐड करो K minus 1 plus 1, so it is K. So A raised to K B A into I, that is A plus K A raised to K minus 1 B square into A square. और कुछ है हमारे पास जो सिंप्लीफिकेशन हो सके? Yes, here we can write down A raised to K plus 1 into I. ये जो दोनों स्टेप है स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें आप देख सकते हो A raised to K B and A is common, so I am taking that part common. A raised to K B and A, so here the remaining is 1 plus K plus K A raised to K minus 1 B square A square. तो ये स्टूडेंट हम यहाँ तक स्टॉप करते हैं. So this is the proof for the K plus 1. Now you can see the RHS. अगर K plus 1 यहाँ रखा जाए तो आपकी RHS क्या होगी? Okay, so A raised to K plus 1 into I plus K plus 1 A K plus 1 minus 1 B into A. जब सिंप्लीफाई करके देखिए आप, so it is K plus 1 I K plus 1 A raised to K B A. तो आपने देखा ये दोनों स्टेप्स एक्चुअली सेम है, बस डिफरेंस क्या रहा? लास्ट स्टेप, दैट स्टेप इज एक्स्ट्रा फॉर अस. तो पहले हम क्या करेंगे, वो जो एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप है वी आर ट्राई टू रिमूव इट. ये कुछ तरह से रिमूव हो सकते हैं. सो यू कैन सी K A raised to K minus 1 and B square, this all are the scalar. उसके लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकते हम लोग, but we have this step A square. So let me simplify this A square. तो A square को सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए हमें क्या करना होगा? Yes, A we have, so हम क्या कर सकते हैं, A square फाइंड कर लेते हैं. So you just note down student this side of proof everything. यहाँ पे हमने जो लिखा है ये सब तो आप प्रूफ कर लीजिए. So I will just find out the A square here. So I am going to prove A square. Okay. So now let me see what is A square. A क्या था हमारा 0 1 0 0. So 0 1 0 0. Now students apply the product. 0 1 का 0 से multiply कर 0 into 0 0 plus 1 into 0 0. Now 0 1 is multiplied with 1 0. So 0 into 1 0 plus 1 into 0 0 0 0 का multiply करेंगे 0 0 0 multiply with 0. So answer is 0. Actually it is a 0 matrix. So let me follow with the LHS. So I am again continuing the LHS here. So therefore LHS is equals to A raised to K plus 1 into I. A raised to, I am writing in the proper form, so K plus 1 I am writing first. A raised to K B A plus K A raised to K minus 1 into B square. At the A plus A square I am writing a 0 matrix, and you know that 0 matrix is working as a 0. Okay, so this is a 0 के साथ किसी भी नंबर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा तो वो 0 हो जाएगा. That's why this is A raised to K plus 1 into I plus K plus 1 A raised to K B A plus 0. That is A raised to K plus 1 I plus K plus 1 A raised to K B A, and this is our RHS. So therefore we can write down. So therefore I am writing here therefore by principle of mathematical induction statement is true for all n which is belongs to capital N, and therefore AI plus BA raised to n is equals to A raised to n I plus n A raised to n minus 1 B A. It is Okay students, this is the proof of the question number 1 of the exercise, miscellaneous exercise. You can see further getting the understanding of this concept. वैसे तो easy है, कुछ खास इतना है नहीं. So here the question solution is done. So now let me continue with the next question. Okay. So student, please see this question number 1 again, so you will get the solution, because इसका थोड़ा सा solution portion जो है वो lengthy, that's why you can see again. Now question number 2 जो है वो भी similar way going with the principle of mathematical induction, EMI से ही solve करना है आपको. So in the second question जब आप solve करेंगे तो in the p of k plus 1, मतलब कि n is equals to k plus 1 के लिए आपको बताना है a raised to k plus 1, that is a raised to k. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन का जवाब बताना है तो a raised to k plus 1 मतलब कि a raised to k into a. तो a raised to k आपने ऑलरेडी प्रूव कर दिया होगा, सपोज करना है n into a. So you just to multiply, और वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी इजी है आपका, तो इजीली you will get 3 raised to k minus 1 in that. Okay students, so sorry, k plus 1 you will get in that. Yeah, so easily you will solve that question. So that's why question number 2 I am leaving up to you. You just solve that question, you will be able to solve. And if you have any query, then we are here only for you there students, so you can ask anytime. So now let me start with the question number 3. So question number 3 is a is equals to 3 minus 4, 1 and minus 1, and we have to put that a raised to n is equals to 1 plus 2n minus 4n and 1 minus 2n. Okay so ये हमें प्रूव करना है. So that's why let me start here. So where n is the positive integer, so question is a is this, then prove that a raised to n is equals to the matrix where n is any positive integer. So n is any positive integer, that means n is natural, and so we can apply the principle of mathematical induction. So again let me start it with the solution. First we will see for n is equals to 1. So it will be solved by principle of mathematical induction. So let p of k is equals to p of n is equals to a raised to n, that is 1 plus 2n minus 4n and 1 minus 2n. So let n is equals to 1. तो हम क्या लेंगे इसको p of 1. P of 1 will be a. Okay, a is equals to p of 1. So p of 1 के लिए हमारा LHS क्या होगा? a raised to 1. a raised to 1 that is equals to a, that is 3 minus 4 1 minus 1 and RHS. So let me see RHS here students. So you can see RHS 1 plus 2n minus 4 into n, 1 minus 2 into n. हमने n की जगह पे 1 हमने रखा है. So what you get, 1 plus 2 3 1 minus 4 1 minus 2 minus 1. So therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore P1 is true. Right students? So we are getting the first one, that P1 is true. Now for n is equals to k, suppose P of k is true, that means a raised to k is equals to 1 plus 2k minus 4k k and 1 minus 2k. तो ये हमें प्रूव नहीं करना है, हमने सपोज कर लिया, राइट. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू प्रूव फॉर n is equals to k plus 1. So now let n is equals to k plus 1. तो k plus 1 के लिए प्रूव करने जा रहे हो तो हमने ले लिया LHS व्हाट इज आवर LHS? a raised to k plus 1. ठीक है, ये हमारा LHS हुआ a raised to k plus 1. तो k plus 1 है तो इसको हम कैसे लिख पाएंगे? a raised to k into a. So what is your a raised to k? I am starting from here students because कि थोड़ा सा lengthy जाएगा हमारा calculation. a raised to k, so this is 1 plus 2k minus 4k k and 1 minus 2. ये हमारे पास a raised to k is from second statement into a. तो a क्या है हमारे पास? 3 1 minus 4 and minus 1. Now students apply the multiplication. So I am applying here first one first column. So it is a 3 into 1 plus 2k plus 1 into minus 4k. तो ये हमें मिल रहा है फर्स्ट एलिमेंट. सेकेंड एलिमेंट फर्स्ट रो एंड सेकेंड कॉलम. सो -4 into 1 plus 2k minus minus plus 1 into 4k, that is 4k. Directly we can write. Now you are able to understand these steps. Now second row and first column. So this is 3k plus 1 minus 2k. Second row and second column. So -4k minus 1 minus minus plus 2k. Here also I can write down directly. This is -4k. So now further अगर सॉल्यूशन करने जा रहे हैं हम. This 3 plus 3 2s are 6k minus 4k. Here 3k minus 2k, that is k plus 1. Here -4 minus 4 2s are 8k plus 4k. -4 and plus 2, so it is -2k minus 1. Okay. So now this is our multiplication. तो जरा इसको वापस से प्रॉपर फॉर्म में लिखते हैं यहाँ पे. तो 3 plus 6 minus 4 2. So 3 plus 2k. Then k plus 1. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? -2k minus 1. -2k and minus. Sorry, what is it? No, wrong thing. -4 minus 4k. Okay, here it is. -4 minus 4k and this is -2k minus 1. Now students, ये तो हमारा मल्टीप्लिकेशन हुआ. तो आप देख सकते हो हमें लाना क्या वहाँ पे 1 प्लस, अगर a raised to k plus 1 कंसीडर करें हम यहाँ पे k plus 1, तो हमें 2 क्या करना होगा? 1 plus 2 into k plus 1. Let me write here. यहाँ पे स्पेस हमारे पास मिल जाता है. So a raised to k plus 1. तो ये क्या होगा हमारे पास? 1 plus 2 into k plus 1 minus 4 into k plus 1. Here k plus 1 and 1 minus 2 into k plus 1. तो एक्चुअली हमें ये वाला फॉर्म में रखना है. ओके, वी हैव टू राइट लाइक दिस. तो हम क्या करें? तो जो लिखा है ना उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम लिख देते हैं. सो हियर वी रिक्वायर 1 plus 2k. तो हम क्या करें? 3 को 3 we can write down like 1 plus 2 plus 2k, right? Where k plus 1 is there, so no issue with this. Here if I take -4 common, there is 1 plus k will be remaining in the bracket. Where in the 4 I don't require -2k minus 1, I require here plus 1, so I am writing 1. Okay, plus 1 I am writing here. So plus 1 minus 2k minus 1. एक 1 मैंने एक्स्ट्रा लिखा है, that 1 I will minus from here, right? Okay, so now ये जो दोनों स्टेप है यहाँ से 1 plus 2 is common, so 1 plus k is there. Here k plus 1 minus 4 k plus 1 and here 1 minus 2k minus 2. Okay, so now 1 plus 2, 1 plus k को हम लिख देते हैं k plus 1 minus 4 k plus 1. Here k plus 1 minus 2 is common, so k plus 1. So what is the student? This is your RHS. You can see here. So that is our RHS. Therefore Pn is true. For all n belongs to capital N, and hence 2. Okay students, so I hope you are easily understood this question. कुछ खास नहीं है, जैसे हमने 11 में सिमिलर में just do the third part, that is for the k plus 1 multiply, multiplication पहले proper complete कर लीजिए and then see what is your RHS, उसके according इसका adjustment करना है. Okay, and you can see there is a truth is given to you. So today only 2 questions for you, question number 1 and 3. Solve the question number 2, okay, by yourself. So here today we are stopped here. I hope you understood the question. If you have a doubt, then we are here for you students. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.